Have you ever sat down to wash or detangle your hair and found more hair on the brush than on your head? Maybe your edges seem thinner, your ponytail feels lighter, and you wonder, why isn't my hair growing like it should? You're not imagining it. What if the answer isn't a high-priced product or a complicated routine, but a humble vegetable that's been used for hair care in Africa and Asia for generations? Today we're diving into okra for hair growth, how it works, why it matters, and how you can use it starting today to stop shedding and actually see your hair grow. Stick with me because the tip I share at the end may be the game changer your hair needs. The problem: why hair isn't growing. When hair isn't growing, or worse, when it's falling, it's not always about lack of products. It's often about what's going on under the surface. Here are 3 real issues many face. Scalp neglect. Blocked follicles can't produce new hair. Nutrient deficiencies. Hair follicles are among the most active cells in your body. They need vitamins, minerals, and protein to thrive. Moisture and breakage. Even if hair grows, if it breaks at the same rate, it looks like no growth. Okra addresses all 3. It nourishes the scalp, provides key nutrients, and locks in moisture, making it a natural ally in your growth journey. And if you've tried everything with little result, this could be the missing piece of your routine. Why okra works: science and connection. Okra isn't just a vegetable, it's a growth booster. Here's how it helps your hair: vitamins A, C, and K. These support scalp health, collagen production, and hair cell renewal. Mucilage, gel-like substance, acts as a natural conditioner, locking in moisture, reducing breakage, and making hair more elastic. Minerals and amino acids. Okra's folate, magnesium, and amino acids support hair structure and follicle health. Scalp soothing and circulation. A healthy scalp allows better growth. Okra helps reduce the inflammation and promote circulation. So when you apply okra treatment, you're not just coating your hair, you're feeding the root, protecting the structure, and creating the right environment for growth. And here's what I love about this: it's natural, affordable, and aligns with the idea of caring for your hair and your body, with love and patience. How to use okra for hair growth. Now let's get practical. Here's exactly how you can use okra in your hair care routine. Method A: okra water. Rinse. Chop 5 to 6 okra pods and soak in 1 to 2 cups of water for 8 to 10 hours, or boil for 5 minutes until the water becomes a little slimy. Strain the mixture and transfer the gel-rich water into a spray bottle. After shampoo, spray onto your scalp and hair. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Method B: okra gel. Treatment. Blend the boiled okra pods, after straining, into a smooth gel. Apply this gel to your scalp and hair from roots to ends. Cover with a shower cap for 30 to 45 minutes or overnight for deeper absorption. Frequency. Use either treatment once or twice a week. Consistency matters more than intensity. Realistic expectations and routine integration. Let's set expectations. Because I believe in honesty and trust. You won't see dramatic length overnight, and that's okay. What you can expect: softer, smoother hair after the first 2 to 3 treatments. Reduce shedding within 4 to 6 weeks. Noticeable fullness by months 3 to 4 if you stay consistent and pair with healthy habits. Here's how to integrate into your routine. Maintain your normal washing schedule, but swap 1 treatment day with okra. Pair it with a nourishing diet, protein, iron, vitamins, and gentle scalp massage. Limit heat and manipulation, because growth isn't just about roots, it's about retention. When you combine these, you're creating the environment for hair growth and preserving what grows. If you're feeling discouraged right now, please know you are not broken. Your hair is not broken. Your hair is not beyond help. I've been there. I've felt the struggle of seeing breakage, spending money on so-called miracle treatments, hoping for change, but seeing little. What changed? Trying simple, consistent care rooted in respect for my hair, my health, and my beliefs. Okra becomes more than a treatment. It becomes a symbol. I care for myself. I invest in my hair. I believe it can grow. You and your hair deserve that love. Before you go, here's a bonus tip. Combine okra gel or water with 5 drops of rosemary oil when you apply. That one add-on pushes circulation and nutrients even further. If you're ready to give your hair the care it needs, do this. Like this video if you're committed to your hair growth journey. Comment below. I'm starting Okra Week 1, so we build this together. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.